Hi everyone. So today we can make some delicious breakfast. Breakfast means always we imagine idli, dosa, chapati, rice item, right? No. We are making here smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are very delicious, healthy and very energetic. If you have these smoothie bowls, after having this you feel very fresh. If you have those regular kind of idli dosa, you feel little tired because our energy is busy in making digestion. So instead of having those heavy kind of breakfast, you can have smoothie bowls. So today I'm going to share with you some smoothie bowls. It's very easy and very delicious. No time you can make these bowls and have this in morning and you see the difference. Okay, who all can have this smoothie bowl? If you are healthy and doing regular exercise, you can have 2 or 3 times a week. If you are a person facing some any illness, any disease and wanted to cure, for them it is for once in a week. If you are a children or athletic, you can have it every day. So smoothie bowls are very delicious, energetic, protein rich and healthy too. So let's start. The first bowl is mango smoothie bowl. It is very delicious and very less time you can make this and few ingredients. 1 tablespoon chia seed, you have to soak this, and next thing is the poppy seeds, 2 teaspoon of khaskhas. I have soaked that also, and take a quarter cup of fresh coconut. And the next thing is soaked dates. You have to soak this and remove the seeds. Remember that, remove the seeds. I have taken here 2. You can take till 5 according to your sweet. Next thing is mango. Take 1 cup of mango, fresh mangoes, and half a cup of carrots. So first what I will do is I will grind coconut, dates, and the poppy seeds. So first I will grind this because it will take little time to grind. So I will do that first thing. I will grind this, and next see I have taken here the remaining water which we have soaked it, the dates and poppy seeds. I have put that water also, and chia seeds, and grind again. So after this I have added the remaining things, which is carrot. And carrot, after carrot you can grind again, the same process. So you can add together also, it's not a big deal. I have done like this. And next thing is mangoes. All together it will give smooth texture. And see, it's ready. We can serve this in a serving bowl, and you can decorate with remaining chia seed or and carrots, whatever you want. You have any nuts, seeds, fruits, so you can decorate with that. So it's ready. So it's so tasty, yummy. I loved the taste, and in no time we can prepare this. Okay, we will go to the next bowl is avocado tulsi bowl. Tulsi, even you can call it as a holy basil. So it strengthens the immune system and lowers the cholesterol and blood pressure, and like it has lot of benefits. So we can use tulsi in our smoothie, avocado and tulsi. Let's start how to make this. Very easy. First, slice the avocado, remove the seed. See, in India we get it like this. You take a ripened one. If it is ripe, it's good. So see, remove the seed and scrape all the avocado, and put that in a mixed jar. I have taken here 1 avocado, and here 2 bananas. I have kept this in freezer for about 6 hours. So you can use these frozen bananas. So then into this 1 teaspoon of soaked chia seed. You can use even sabza seeds, whatever is available. So then for this I have added half a cup of coconut water and 3 dates. You can use more dates if you want more sweetener. And I have taken here 2 strings of tulsi. One is enough, I guess. I like the tulsi taste, so I am using 2 strings. So grind it till it's smooth paste. And see the texture how it is, right? I love the avocado taste very much. For me sweeten is less, so I am adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder and grinding it again, and transfer that into a serving bowl. You can decorate this with any fruits, nuts, whatever available with you. I am here decorating with banana, chia seeds, coconut, sunflower seeds and tulsi. So you can decorate in your way. So it's ready, healthy, delicious, easy smoothie bowl, and tasty too. So let's move to the next smoothie, that is coffee smoothie. Yeah, coffee smoothie. For this we need a coconut milk. For that you have to make before coconut milk. I have taken here quarter cup of coconuts. For that it requires half cup of water, but now I am going to add just half of that water and grind it and strain it. So strain this for all the coconut, and again what you can do is like transfer to a mixer jar, remaining water add that one and grind again, so that you can squeeze all the milk from the coconut and strain properly. See, now like this you can do. Now I got a half a cup of coconut milk, and what you can do with this, you can use it as scrub, face scrub. Okay, now in the mixer jar I am going to add a frozen bananas, 2 frozen bananas, and I have taken here 6 dates. You have to remove this seed, remember that, and put that in a grinder. I have soaked it. And quarter cup of coconut milk, and this is the coffee powder. This is homemade coffee powder. You know how to make this? Take a chickpeas or chana or chole. You have to take that, and you have to roast till it get dark brown. Then you have to grind it and strain it. That's it. And now you have a homemade coffee powder. Yeah, believe it, it tastes exactly like that. 1 tablespoon of this homemade coffee powder, and 1 pinch of cinnamon is optional, and 1 pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is also very easy. Roast the peanuts and just grind it till it get smooth paste. That's it. So you can add that, or if you don't like, you can skip that, and grind it. See, it's all ready. The smoothie, coffee smoothie bowl is ready. You can decorate with any nuts, fruits, anything. So coffee smoothie is ready, delicious, yummy. Okay, we will next move on to the chia seed smoothie. You can call it as chia pudding or chia smoothie. For this, what I have done is I have soaked these cashews like for 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, afternoon itself, and I have grinded this in night. So we have to prepare this in night itself. So take around 20-25 cashews. For this smoothie I am going to use the water 1 cup, but for this making milk I am using how much it requires. So slowly, little by little, you have to add water. See, some more I am adding water and grind it. It should become like milk. So see, again I am doing the same process and grind it. So now the milk is ready, cashew milk is ready. Now we will pour this milk to a bowl. Okay, remaining water you can use now. I am using like cleaning the mixer jar also. It cleaned, and I am using the all
milk. I'm not wasting anything. So it's ready. Now we can add 1 tablespoon of chia seed. 1 tablespoon. See? So pour this in this milk and just mix, because sometimes the lumps it will form, and for that you have to mix properly. Add a pinch of salt, mix well, and into this 2 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Mix this and keep this mixture in a fridge overnight. So morning we can add any fruits. So now in morning I have taken here uh, half of the papaya. You can take any fruits. I have taken here papaya. You can add whatever season available, you can add that thing. See, now chia seed is fluffy, it is ready. Now you can add papayas. See, I have added all the papayas. It's very delicious, looking very nice. And I have taken your nuts. You can take any nuts. I have taken cashew nuts. I have roasted that. It will give the crunchy texture. And I have cut it in small pieces and add that for garnish. See how it is. Wow. And you can sprinkle some chia seed also on top of that. And this is smoothie is ready. Chia smoothie is ready. It's yummy and delicious. Wow.
So how it was? It was very easy, right? Easy and healthy and delicious. So you can have this thrice a week. Remaining days you can have fruit bowls as a breakfast. You can also make the smoothie bowls and let me know in the comment how it came out. So instead of having this regular dosa idli kind of breakfast, you can have fruit bowls and smoothie bowls. Okay, see you in the next video. Namaste.